Hello friends, today I received a small amount of Flex PCB packages. I will peel off the gold from the Flex PCB using 68% nitric acid, 1 part, and 3 parts water, then soak it for 24 hours. You will see that the gold will peel off in sheets all over the water. After all the gold is off the Flex PCB, we will separate the gold in the acid water from the Flex PCB using a colander. The gold will pass through the colander, while the Flex PCB is large and will not be able to pass through. Then, when we have the gold in the water, slowly pour out the water. This step may take a long time so that the gold will gradually settle to the bottom. Slowly pour out the water, or you can use a filter. You will see that the Flex PCB is a device that can peel off a satisfactory amount of gold. I consider it a better material than general gold plating materials. If you find a Flex PCB like this, I recommend that you do not miss it. See you in the next clip. I will bring this gold to gold refining, more pure. Thank you.